In this code sample, we create a simple canvas specifying the attributes mouse left button down and mouse right button down assigned with names of functions. We actually specify which functions we want to be invoked each time the user press the left button or the right button of his mouse when the mouse is above this specific canvas. If we check the code behind, we can find the definition for these two functions. The canvas left click creates a new ellipse object that represents an ellipse and place it as a child for our canvas. If you take a look at the XAML file, you can see that the name of the canvas is a drawing canvas, meaning that in the code behind we can refer the property drawing canvas and get access to the canvas object we have, so we can easily access its children property and then call the add method on it in order to add a new child which is a simple ellipse, color blue, width and height is 80. Here we introduce the required changes in our ellipse object so that it will be placed exactly where the mouse points, meaning that the mouse points at a specific point where the center of the ellipse shall be placed. If we execute this code sample, we get something like this. Now if I press the mouse left button, I get a simple ellipse. Now if we take a look at the code, you can see that I also handle the canvas right click, and currently the only thing I do is assigning true to the handled property. Doing so, when I press right click, nothing happens. If I take this line out and now execute again, as you can see, when I press the left button, still the same response, but when I press the right button, as you can see, I get the Silverlight standard setting dialog. So if you don't want to get it, make sure you assign true to the handled property. This way the event won't bubble and then invoke the standard Silverlight setting.